rumors, leaks, release date, and everything else we know. Samsung confirmed this week that it will hold a Galaxy Unpacked event in February, where it will announce its latest S-series smartphones. We don't know much more right now, but rumors and leaks have begun to come in at a steady pace over the last few weeks. Heck, Samsung is already taking reservations for a phone and tablet that hasn't even been announced yet. When we combine the leaks with educated guesses based on Samsung's previous smartphone launches, a clearer picture of what the Galaxy S22 lineup will look like begins to take focus. Now, keep in mind, we're specifically discussing rumors and leaks. Any of the information below can and most likely will change by the time the phones are officially announced. Outside of jumping from the Galaxy S10 to S20, Samsung has stuck with a consecutive number naming scheme. With last year's S-series of phones claiming the S21 moniker, it makes sense that this year's release will be the Galaxy S22. If Samsung continues with its naming traditions, we should see 3 S22 models: Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. What is the Galaxy S22's release date? Galaxy Unpacked will take place in February. The official launch date is usually a couple of weeks later. You can reserve one right now, yes, before it's even announced. We weren't really surprised when Samsung pre-announced that an Unpacked event will take place in February, as that's been the typical time frame for the last few years for the event. However, until Samsung sends out invites, we don't know the exact date we can all tune into the announcement. That said, Ice Universe, who has consistently and accurately leaked information in the past, posted on Weibo that Samsung will announce the Galaxy S22 series on February 9th, as reported by TechRadar. In the past, Samsung has followed an Unpacked event with a roughly 2-week pre-sale period with promotions and other incentives. I expect Samsung will do something similar this year. If you already have your mind made up and plan on buying the Galaxy S22 the moment it's possible, you can place a reservation right now. You don't need to put down a deposit or hand over any financial information, you're more or less signing up to be notified about pre-orders. In exchange for signing up, you'll get an extra $50 off Samsung accessories when you complete your pre-order. What will the Galaxy S22 look like? The S22 Ultra looks a lot like a Galaxy Note. The S22 and S22 Plus stick to the standard Galaxy S design. A couple of videos of dummy units have surfaced, potentially revealing what all 3 Galaxy S22 models will look like. The biggest takeaway here is that the S22 Ultra has the same square design that we'd come to expect from the Galaxy Note line. So while the Galaxy Note may be dead, it's not forgotten. As for the Galaxy S22 Plus and S22, they carry the same design approach that we've come to expect from Samsung. Both have a triple camera array on the back, while the S22 Ultra appears to have an extra lens or two, with rounded corners, and a hole punch front-facing camera. Below is a video posted by Twitter user @onleaks showing off the design, including a spot for Samsung's S Pen stylus on the S22 Ultra. Unbox Therapy also posted a video with the same, or at least very similar, dummy units. The video was eventually taken down, however, it's been reposted by several different channels.